This beautiful photo frame for ultrasound baby's picture is perfect keepsake gift for expecting parents. And in this video I will show you how to make it step by step using a laser cutter. Let's open the design in Lightburn, and for engraving the pregnant woman I am using the fill mode. You can also choose offset fill if you prefer different engraving style. Next, it's time to cut all the pieces. For cutting, I use 95% power, 190 speed, and 3 passes. Here is how everything looks after engraving and cutting. All the parts came out clean and detailed. Now let's assemble the frame. I start by gluing the base parts together. Then I color the little heart. I will use acrylic marker. You can paint it pink or blue, depending on the baby's gender. And after that, I glue the heart in place. Next, I want to add the small decorative element. This will be baby shoes. And in the file available in my Etsy shop, you can find both versions, one for a boy and one for a girl. Now I insert the engraved silhouette of the pregnant woman. I will do it into the special slot in the base and glue the photo frame on top. And it's done. We have a lovely handmade ultrasound photo frame, unique keepsake gift. The laser file for cutting and engraving this photo frame is available in my Etsy shop. link in the description.